Hey guys, welcome back to Stay True TV. So today we've got something a little bit different for you. We've gone and purchased ourselves a project. So we'll take you for a bit of a walkthrough, show you a bit of the joint, and then we'll get into doing a bit of a clean up. Got one of the Muppets on the front porch, making himself at home. What's going on, buddy? And wave to the camera. So you got the front door, which is an older house, hence why we picked it for a project. Figured this would be a good little learning curve, be able to learn how to do renovations. Give us something to play with. So it's 3-bedroom, lounge room, got a hallway. Bedroom here. Dara's got full plans to change or outlay this place. Sweet as coloured kitchen. Gotta love that. Little pink toilet and the door that closes itself. I think this house was built in 1967 if I remember right. Obviously the bathroom's had a bit of work done to it already. Structurally sound, no cracks or anything to worry about in the walls. We had a builder come through, checked it all out for us before we purchased it. We did want something structurally sound. The old laundry. Laundry will be going outside into the humpy out there. This here, you got like a sunroom. I think Dara's got plans to change all that. Got a spa room here. We can turn that into a study. Get rid of the spa. Come out the back. Dara's already been here while I've been at work doing a lot of the work. And that was all covered in weeds and stuff last time I was here. So she's gone and done a big job of cleaning it all up, getting it all tidied up a bit. This whole ramp and everything, that's all going. That's going to be our job today. We're going to get rid of it. Is all rotted out, which we were aware of. So there are white ants in the fence posts and stuff out in the back area, so we're going to rid all of it, as you can see. Whoop, there she goes. She's pretty bad, so we're going to get rid of that today. Plenty of fruits and fruit trees. We got this old bungalow here. Oh, let's open them up. Not locked up. We're going to set that up for a playroom for the kids. Playroom in there. Then this back section here is going to be the laundry. We're going to set the laundry up in there. So that'll be pretty cool. Got tanks and stuff. We'll probably end up moving the water tanks and stuff around. Pretty big shed. If that's choice, we'll be able to get some good projects going in there once it's all done. We're going to get all new tin and stuff on the roof because you can see it's all second-hand tin's being used on the shed. So we'll just re-tin it all when we get to that point. Rather large, good size. It's got a lean-to to the side, but we were thinking about extending the actual shed, getting rid of the lean-to and extending the shed through here. So we'll have a machine shop on the side. It's got solar, gas. Carport. A lot of work. At the same time, good project for learning. Teach us how to work with houses. So that'd be cool. You guys can follow us along. Like I said, we're going to get onto this one today. Start removing this before anyone hurts themselves on it. Not too sure how we're going to tackle it yet. I think it'll pretty much pull itself apart the way it looks. But we'll just get into it, start ripping stuff apart and see how we go. Let's go get some tools. Alright guys, absolutely no idea what we're doing here. So what I've decided to do is grab the jigsaw. We're going to cut straight up the guts of this thing and start pulling this thing apart. Let's get into it. Check it out guys, that came out a lot easier than I expected. You can see the termite damage. Obviously this is all concrete, but you can see the trail where they've come up here. Doesn't seem to be any live ones in any of that wood that just came out. I was a bit worried this window was going to be napped, but it sounds pretty solid to me. Doesn't sound like they've gone into the actual window itself. Alright, let's continue cleaning. So we've decided we're going to leave these ramps here for the time being, just while we're going to be going in and out of this back door. It's actually not too bad, this part of the decking area anyway. Did notice that the boards can kick up, so what I'm going to do is kick them all up and then we're going to screw it in and lock them down. So let's do that. Alright guys, check it out. Only a little bit of rubbish removal and already looks heaps better. So we're done out here for the time being. We'll get a trailer around and grab all the rubbish and get it out. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and make a start on the kids' playroom. Get that so it's manageable and the kids have got somewhere to play while mum and dad work. Let's go and do it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is rip up this beautiful blue carpet and get rid of that. We got a sag and roost to take care of. A little bit of work in here to do. Our plaster free wall is no longer plaster free. Needs a repair. But I think we might be doing more than just a repair. I think we're going to be checking out all the wood structures in here, so that's not too bad, that one, but you can see here we got some serious issues right now. It's not live. I have got something going in my hair here. Yeah. Maybe it's just me playing with it, it's making me feel like a critters. So, looks like we're going to be pulling all these fat bats out of here. Not right now because I'm wearing a singlet. Really want to be wearing long sleeves when we start on that, but we definitely can't leave that alone, and I'm thinking we might have to peel back the plasterboard a little bit further and just make sure. I mean, there's no sagging in the rest of the roof, so by the looks of it, that one there has been replaced. Looks like that's been replaced, so maybe they've replaced a lot more, but we might even need to peel this part of the wall plasterboard back as well. Which isn't a big drama because that's got a bit of mould down the bottom anyway. We're going to fit the fix the guttering outside so that doesn't happen no more. Hopefully that'll be all sorted. That's good wood, but that back door is getting removed and we're going to put a frame up in there and turn that into a solid wall also. So that side of the room's got a fair bit of work to get done to it. And we'll do some decent checks around the rest of it. Let's get rid of this plasterboard. Alright guys, so we're going to call that a wrap for the day. Just wanted to show you the new project. We've made a little bit of a start on some of the stuff that's easy enough to get into and have a go at. So this is probably going to be one of those projects that's going to go pretty big. Got a lot of plans in place for it. If you guys have any thoughts or ideas, chuck them in the comments and we'll have a look at them. We might even take them on board and chuck them in on the build. So for now, don't forget, like, subscribe, set your notifications for future videos. Stay safe, and we'll catch you next time.